So we are at IKEA, gonna get some dinner on and practice saying our Swedish words. Let's go eat first. Let's go eat first. Gonna go eat food first. Oh, look at the husky dolls. Oh, so cute. Is that a stuffed toothbrush? That's pretty lame. Let's get a cart for the tray and then go stand in line. Chicken fingers.
There's all the fizz. I know, right?
The whole thing was fizz?
And then over here is my office. I use school over here. And see, it's a very beautiful day. This is my stuff. This is my cooking utensils. I don't have a lot. This is my fridge. Very cold. My freezer, super cold. And this is my kitchen. The best part of my house. The biggest part. This is my living room. I actually sleep here since I don't have a bedroom. So, so yeah.
You're sitting on a Kivik sectional 3 seat.
It's for the Farlov.
Farlov. Oh, looks pretty comfy. Do you need some blender mats? And a grip handy to go with it? Let's see. Ooh. This is a nice kitchen. I like these pots and pans, like this Senior. This is a Senior too. Cast iron. That's nice. We need one of these things. Wooden spoon. This is a really nice couch. What's this couch called here? Landskrona. Anybody wants a Landskrona? I really like it. It looks really comfy right there. I think we'd all be fighting for the corner seat.
The couch is very cold.
Because it's leather. I also like this paint, or this picture. This Maggle Hut Hope. Sissy's gonna make us some scrambled eggs and some quesadillas in her skanka.
With mine.
With your unnamed item. Yeah, we need a skanka. Anyway, actually, it's what we came for. A skanka. I like these sinks. These God Morgan Adensvik. Oh, finally you're gonna bathe. There you go.
No, stop it! No!
Ethan has a fear of bathing.
Ow, you shocked me. Yeah, I can't close it.
These guys are hidden away in their little bedroom.
This is my room.
With the fake bricks.
Oh, wait.
Kvitz, bro. It's cool. Yeah, I know. You can put coins in there.
Wait, can we paint on the mala?
Didn't you guys have a mala? You had something like that. There's a peephole. There's a peephole in the door. It's a fake door.
Is it gonna break?
It's in a rocking chair? Yeah, the Grana doll is a rocking chair.
I'm scared it's gonna break.
It's very wide. Right here. Poing station. Poing. Poing.
We have that one.
Look, we totally have these lack tables at home. Lack. And this is why we have it. $7.99. Oh, we do have that table too. That's called lack also.
Ours is way more dirtier. Let's be out here.
Can you find on the map where we are? I believe it's up here where it says you are here.
Oh. Well, we're right here.
There you go. We have these Rascog carts. That's a big garbage bin.
This chair fits me.
That chair is really tiny. The Agam. Are you making cookies? No, the bunch cake. Are you making cake? I know, I like this kitchen too. The Vardigan.
I wonder
Ooh.
all these names.
Macaroons.
Very low IQ.
It's the cooking station.
It's a back scratcher.
Hey, yeah.
It's a back scratcher.
Ooh, it is my back scratcher. Right there. I have one of these and I scratch my back with it.
Oh, Daddy, right here, Daddy. Here, Daddy.
You found the laundry room? Oh, it's a nice laundry room. The kitchen leads to a laundry room that leads to a kitchen.
It has a sink in it.
Ooh. Ooh. That's a huge butter dish. It's a huge alvitandi.
Putting plastic over the stove, pretty good idea. Oh, it's blue.
Yes. Is that cool?
Oh, there's nothing in here.
Oh, it's not punch? You're not serving me punch?
Look, that's
It's just blue tinted bowl. What's it called?
It's called a table. Oh gosh, I can't say that.
Morbilenga.
And then this is called a morbilenga.
Yes. So what would you like to eat for breakfast this morning, Ellie?
I have some French toast with sausage and eggs and gravy and mashed potatoes and macaroni and cheese and sandwich.
Oh, I see you're in your office.
We're attacking the attack off the chairs.
Put your flint in the way. Oh, is this your bedroom, Ellie? And your fireplace?
You probably have a sleep up vertical.
And the closet over there?
Mama, do you think she's gonna sleep vertical because he's so...
Okay, let's go check out the master closet.
In an elevator.
That's to go to your bat cave.
Imagine if I pull this.
It's like Henry Danger and you go down.
Oh, imagine if I pull this and it drops the floor.
That was almost like yours though, Ethan. Ooh, I like this duvet. You like this one, Sissy?
If I let that bed, I would be sleeping on top.
You would not sleep on top. You're too chicken.
I can't even go. We can't even go up there.
No, because I don't want you playing and falling down. Choices on display. I like this one. We're in need of some Bowman's. Bowman's toilet brush holders.
Oh, I thought they were toilet washers.
not. It's duvet covers. The duvet covers. I think we need some Cedribes too. Cedribes.
Not real animal skin.
It's a whole huge rack of cold bees.
They look like cows.
Yeah. What color cold bee do you
They are
want?
because they actually stink. They actually do.
Oh, you think they're
They
real?
don't smell.
Oh yeah, this cowhide is naturally durable and will last for many years.
Cold bar.
They're real. The cold bees are real cows.
Well, people are gonna get very offended by this.
No, we already have our own Christmas tree.
Like this big.
Yeah, perfect. We can put in a suitcase.